Today we are going up the road to Hana. So yesterday we drove, we drove the whole thing, but we didn't stop on anything because we wanted to get to the national park with the 7 sacred pools and such. So now we get to explore this side of Hana, and we're going to end tonight at Haleakala, or Haleakala. It's the national park in Maui, and it's the volcano. It's gorgeous. We're gonna camp. So we're gonna go from like. You just keep saying it. We're gonna go from sea level, which is where we're at. I mean, probably not sea level, but we're at the bottom of Maui, and we're gonna be at like 4,300 feet tonight. So, should be a fun day. Let's get it rolling.
What's up? So we're on the road to Hana and we decided to stop at one of the side waterfalls. Guys, there's tons of waterfalls and like places to stop on the sides. It's literally on the side of the road. As you can see, people are driving by. Guys, parking is very limited, so just be careful, be safe. Don't be doing anything stupid, but come out here and just enjoy.
Go along the side. Well, this is one of the craziest things I've ever done, but you just gotta go for it.
Hey guys, so another stop along Hana Highway is going to be Waterfalls. As you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. If you want to go swimming, you can. It's kind of a rough way to get down, but obviously plenty of people are doing it, so it's definitely possible. But it's a beautiful spot. Make sure you check it out.
explored a ton of Hana. We're now gonna go, about to be at the halfway point, get some banana bread, and then we're busting out of Hana. We're gonna go get some grub in Paia.
Been fun, guys.
It's been unreal. So while you're on the road to Hana, there's gonna be a bunch of different stops, some restaurants, some fresh fruit, but if you want to stop at the halfway to Hana spot, this is pretty much the middle, and they have the best banana bread on the island.
Paia fish market.
Paia fish market, delicious.
So good. So good.
Get the burger.
Oh, yes.
Get the fish
Get
burger.
that fish burger.
I got the paka paka.
The paka paka, I got the Maui Maui. Whichever
Yeah.
your heart
you can
desires.
Get any fish
just
and make it a burger.
Just get
so
it.
Yummy.
Yeah.
And we're gonna head to our campsite, and I think we're actually gonna set up camp in the light.
In the light.
What a concept.
What a concept.
Pray for us though, because there's no food up there, so we're gonna figure out something for dinner. But
We'll figure out something.
I think everybody's just wanting to kind of chill, which is
We've been eating pretty great though, not gonna lie.
eating very good, and we've been going pretty hard, so
Yep.
it'll be nice to just kind of
Chill.
chillax. Maybe, hopefully there's some trees up there we can Eno or something.
Ooh, that'd be nice. Kels?
I'm kind of very
No,
sleepy.
yeah. But you know, just chilling, walking.
I'm sleepy
We've-
and
we've got,
I'm ready
like-
to nap, but I know we're not gonna.
We've got like a 50-minute drive to our campsite, so it's not far, it's just lots of switchbacks.
See you when we get to the campsite, everyone.
Alright guys, we have made it to our campground. As you can see, I am now in a thermal ball and a beanie, and I'm in Hawaii, but it actually dropped, I think, like 28 degrees, almost 30 degrees from the bottom of the island to up here, so it's like, it's just around 60 degrees, almost below 60 degrees. So, take you guys on the tour. This is Hosmer Campground in Hana. I'm gonna botch the name, so it's the national park in Maui. There's Nate. Nate's talking to his boo-boo. Nate's got a girlfriend now. Hey. Shout out to Andy, you're awesome. Okay. So, little North Face, Richie's tent, and then you've got Kels and I's tent. But I want to show you guys the view. So, if you look, up there is the volcano. And we're going to do something pretty special tomorrow morning. That's going to be unreal. Yes. So, it's been an amazing day. Lots of adventures, lots of exploring. We went on waterfalls. We jumped off cliffs. We had delicious food. We got to hang out, and you guys would be proud of us. We set up camp before the dark, so that's a positive for the journey. But this is the end of the vlog for the day. So if this is your first time at the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any awesome videos we have coming. Make sure you like this video and tell us your favorite waterfall that you saw today on the road to Hana. Nate, say goodbye. Good night. Kels, say good night. All right, journeyers, we'll see you tomorrow.